Blogger forums a great place to advertise your blog. No matter what type of blog that you have, one of the best places that you can advertise your blog is to join a blogger forum. After all, everyone who posts there has a blog, and that's the main subject. It's a great place to meet other bloggers and to advertise your blog. There are quite a few blogger forums that you can sign up for on the internet. One is known as Bloggeries, where you can show off your blog, get your blog reviewed, or review other blogs, and find lots of tools that you can use for your own blog. Another good place to go is to Blog Forum. Blog Forum, like Bloggeries, has spots for you to market and show off your blog. Blogger forums are a great place to advertise because everyone in them are of the same mind and want to make certain that their blogs get noticed and read. If you use your blog to advertise something that you are selling, or you want to get a lot of traffic to your blog in order to make money, you want to go someplace where it can get exposure. When you advertise on a blog forum, you know that you are placing your advertisement in a place where blogging is something that people enjoy. Just remember when you are posting to a forum to read the rules and abide by them. That way you'll get your blog noticed and you will know that you are doing the right thing.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.